In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to sign up to become a VIP on Poppo or Vone app. And I'm not only stopping at that. If you watch this video till the end, I'll also show you all the benefit that comes along with the VIP, and as well as how to make use of it, because I realized that there are a lot of people that sign up to become a VIP, but there are a lot of opportunities that comes along with it, but they don't know how to use it, like all the live tag, all the platform speaker, and so many other things. So if you want to become a VIP, like right now, I have always been a VIP, but just so that I can practically show you how to become, I decided to let my VIP expired so that I'll practically show you. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. And as I record this is a day to my birthday, so please wish me happy birthday in the comment section. I don't mind whenever you are watching it. Please just wish me happy birthday. Thank you so much. So if you come on your app, either you are using the Poppo app or the Vone app. Now Poppo also have Vone, and it's the same thing. I'm going to talk more about that in my next video. So right here, you just tap this VIP. As you can see now, because I am not a VIP, the VIP is in a gray color. So but once I become a VIP, the color will change. So you tap on the VIP, okay? Right? So you should know that first of all, the VIP is subscription based. So if you subscribe to be a VIP, it only lasts for a month. Okay? So for you to be the first, we have normal VIP, we have super VIP, and we have diamond VIP. All right, so now that we know the three types of VIP, for you to become a normal VIP, you need to subscribe with 9,500 coins. Is monthly. So after a month, it will expire. If you want to renew it, you now renew it with 95,000 coins. Sorry, 95,000 coins. Okay, for you to become a super VIP, you need 450,000 coins per month. If you want to become a diamond VIP, you need 1 million coins per month to subscribe. Okay, so now if you sign up for the normal VIP, what are your benefits? Number one, you are going to be getting 3,500 coins per day. Every day, once you have successfully once is a new day, like right here, I'm a Nigerian, and a new day on Poppo starts from 5 p.m. Nigerian time. So once it's 5 p.m. Nigerian time, either I do my tax or not, I'll just go to the reward center and receive 3,500 coins, which once I subscribe to my normal VIP now, you will see me practically collecting that my 3,500 coins for the day. So once, if you sign up to become a normal VIP, right, you are going to get this, receive 3,500 coins per day, not point or coins. So that coins, you can use it for gamble, you can exchange it so that it will turn to point, you can play games with it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. And then you every day you'll be getting live float tag. It is automatically being added to your give bag. So you check, you'll just be seeing your live float tag and platform speaker increasing automatically, and I'm going to show you how to use it if you watch this video till the end. All right, another thing again, you are going to get a platform tag. Okay, and that platform tag too, I'll show you how to use it. There's this ranking forward and then distinguish to go. Okay, those are the things you can get. So if you sign up for super VIP, you are going to be getting 16,000 coins per day, 2 daily live float tag, 1 daily platform speaker, then you get platform float tag, ranking forward, distinguished to go. So those are the things you get. Okay, invisible visitor. Okay, what this invisible visitor means is that you can visit people's party without being seen that you are the one that visited. So, and I'm also equally going to show you how to use the platform speaker and all that. Then if you sign up to diamond VIP. Sorry, notification is coming in and there's no way I can turn off my data while I am doing this. So thank you so much for understanding. Please give me a like. So yes, 1 million coins is what you use to subscribe to become a diamond VIP, and here are the privileges that comes along with it. 35,000 coins daily, live float tag, 5 live float tags, platform speaker like 2, okay, and then platform tag is 2. And you should also know that all this thing, it has value, okay, like this platform speaker, okay, is 2,000 per one. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Ranking forward, you are going to you get distinguished to go, and you are going to also get invisible visitor, and you can also get mysterious man in a live broadcast. Like you just be seeing, you will not see the person's profile or the person's name. Sometimes you will see people winning. Maybe later, if I'm showing you how to make use of all these benefits, I'm going any something will pop up that will explain better. You are going to get prevent being kicked. Okay, so that means if you sign up for this diamond VIP, nobody can kick you. You can decide that you can sit on any seat until you decide to leave. Nobody can kick you. VIP customer care, you are going to get exclusive VIP customer care from the app and all that. Exclusive message background, you are going to get that. Entry special effect, you are going to get that. Mysterious man on the rank, you can get that. Like sometimes you can be ranking, but you'll be mysterious. Nobody will know that you are the one ranking. Like maybe if you're an agent or you rank and score a high game that you have reward for that, you can get that. Okay, so we are going to subscribe now to normal VIP, is the one I'm subscribing to. So this normal VIP will come along. So you should also know that this live float tag, you see plus 15,000. Okay, it's not that they are giving you 15,000 coin. What that means is that because each one a live float tag, okay, that you are going to get, it costs 2,000, right? Platform speaker costs 2,000. Sorry, live float tag costs 500 coins. So because if you are not a VIP and you want to send a platform speaker, Poppo or Vone will charge you 2,000 coins. But because you have VIP, you have all these privileges on your give back, right? So now let's subscribe to normal VIP. Now that we are understanding it, okay, it's telling me that you send 95,000 coins to join this. Let me first of all cancel and check if I have the coins. Yes, I have 116 coins. So let me go back and click on the VIP. Sorry, click on VIP so that I will subscribe. Right now that I know I have the coins, so I'll click on sign up to normal VIP. I'll click on OK. All right, so I have become the VIP now. It says receive rewards for today. I'll just click right here. Have you seen? So now if I come back now, my VIP, you see, it's no more gray, it's blue. So all I'll do is I'll just come to my reward. So as I click on my reward, I'm going to receive, this is how it looks like. Okay, you see now my reward 3,500 coins because I have signed up. It's automatic receive. Great. So the coins have added. You know, I was having 116 before. So as I use 95,000, now I've received 3,005. Okay, so now that we have subscribed and I am now a VIP. Okay, how then do you make use of this VIP thing, right? So let me go to a party, or let me start my own party. But as you can see, this is 4 a.m. This is 4:22 a.m. that I'm recording this, guys. That's why it's good when you are doing what you are passionate about. Please give me a like and drop a beautiful comment. Such things inspire me to do more. Everybody wants to hear a good everybody wants hype. I beg me, hype me. So yes, so as I'm here, let me decide to hold a party so that I'll show you how to make use of all these things. So let me just close, because I'm not with a light, let me close my camera. Thank you for being here. If you have watched this long, please, you deserve a tap. Well done. So I've closed my camera, right? So as you can see, this is mysterious man ranking, okay, because you will not know who is winning. That's the advantage of that mysterious man for those that go for, is it diamond VIP now? Okay, so how do we now use the reward that is being given to us? Number one, as a VIP, you are going to, once you sign up to VIP, you start getting this reward. So you, how do you see it? You click on your gift icon right here, okay. You will now come to gift back. If you click on gift back, see me now, I have platform speaker, platform float tag, live float tag, okay. I have all this one as a VIP because I've accumulated much, because I have always been a VIP and I'm not using it much. So how do you use it? Number one, as I'm here now, if I want to drop a message that come for exchange, okay, all I'm going to do is click right here, okay, and say, but I've not put come for exchange before people will start coming and I'm not ready for exchange. I can just say thank you, thanks, right? So I'll now click on platform speaker. If I'm not leaving it wrong, I have whole platform, okay, or I'll just click right here. If I click whole platform like this, okay, then I click on send. On a very good note, if I'm not a VIP and I use this, I'll be charged 2,000 coins. So I'll just send, right? So now that I've sent, have you seen? Ijaparigan, thanks. So had it been I want, I can say come for your exchange. That is the use of the platform speaker reward you are getting as a VIP. Because if you are not a VIP and you send this message, you will be charged 2,000 coins per message. That's one. Secondly, platform float tag, okay, or this live tag. So all these messages, I want to wait to see one passing. These messages that are passing by, so you can actually send the message. Okay, let me turn off my mic. I can see people coming in already, so I can, like this message that is going on, I can decide to send message like this. That's what that means. So now all I'm going to do is this whole platform. I need to send that whole platform. Okay, let me say thanks and I'll click send. Have you seen that? Where's my mouse? So have you seen that? The thanks. So that's the use. So if you want to send message that should go here, that is what that means. Please, can I sit? Sorry, I'm just doing recording. Okay, so this is what that means. Okay, that's how to make use of the gifts that is being given to you, the privileges that come along with it. And this person saying, good morning, I was just watching your videos and it's really helpful. So thank you so much, Nancy. And unfortunate that I can't let you come up because I am just doing practical. So I hope you get to see this video, Nancy. Thank you. So that is how to make use of it. So this video is already lengthy, but I hope it give you more clarity on the VIP stuff, because I was ignoring it and I discovered a lot of people didn't really know how to make use of the benefit and how to sign up for the VIP and all that. So thank you so much for watching till the end. If you watch this video till the end, you are a sweetheart. You are the reason why I keep creating this content, because it takes a lot for someone to wake up this time to be creating this content and then people will not watch it till the end. It breaks my heart. So thank you so much and I love you all. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Hope to see you in my next video. Yes, in my next video I'm going to talk a lot more. In fact, it's getting excited. I'm going to talk a lot more about about Poppo and Vone. Okay, this is Vone and it's owned by Poppo, so I'm going to talk a lot about that. So if you don't want to miss that opportunity, ensure you turn on the notification so that you always be notified whenever I put a new video. Happy birthday to me. Bye in advance.